In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stylish text masks using Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to bring a unique and visually appealing dynamic to your website design, and it's a lot easier than you might think. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your Wix Studio dashboard and navigate to the section of your site where you'd like to add the text mask. Once you're there, look for the Add button. You'll find it usually at the left side of your editor. Clicking this button will present you with a variety of elements you can incorporate into your design. Since we're focusing on text masks today, the next step is to select the option labeled Text. Now, within the text options, you should see a feature specifically for text mask. Clicking on this will reveal several design choices that you can use. Each one offers a dynamic way to integrate text into your visuals, so take a moment to explore the variety of styles available. Once you've found a text mask style that fits your vision, simply drag it over to your page and drop it in the desired position. This is the stage where creativity really comes into play. You want to think about how the text mask will interact with other elements on your page. Is it part of a central image? Does it complement a background color scheme? Aim for harmony in your design to keep the overall aesthetic appealing. The beauty of using text masks is that they allow you to add depth and sophistication without overwhelming other components of your site. Once you've dropped your text mask on your page, you may want to edit the text itself. To do this, simply double-click on the text. This action should open up a text editor where you can alter the font, size, color, and even the text itself. Choose a font that's readable but complements the mask style you've chosen. Adjust the size according to how prominent you want it to be on your page. Now, with the style and text in place, take a step back and look at how the text mask interacts with your existing design. Does it enhance or distract? While the mask can act as the focal point, it shouldn't be so overbearing that it pulls attention away from other critical elements. Make sure to test how it looks on different devices, ensuring that it maintains its stylish impact, whether viewed on a desktop or mobile device. And there you have it, a simple way to create stylish text masks using Wix Studio. With these tools at your disposal, the creative possibilities are practically endless. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and layouts until you find the perfect balance for your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!